Today we are going to see a new lesson. The name of the lesson is My Native Place. What is mean by my native place? It means the place where our parents, our grandparents lived. Here a small boy, his name is Santosh. He is using his summer vacation to go for a trip to his grandparents' village. If there is a summer vacation, we all rush to our grandparents' home. Yes, whether it is a village or city, we'll rush. Here, this boy is also rushing to his grandparents' home, which is in village. As I said, it's a village. What do we recall? We recall that the land is full of farming, more trees, no machine sound with only birds chirping sound, and we cannot see these many vehicles over there. Only bullock cart, one or two buses only will be available. That is also for timings. Yes, the place itself is very silent. Coming back to the lesson, here the Santosh has started his vacation and he wants to go to his grandparents' village. He was very excited and he want to record all his emotions, and for recording it he took his mother's phone to record then and there, where at last he'll be filling it in his diary. This experiences started and he started writing in his diary, and we are going to see what he has written in his diary. April 10th. So on the date of April 10, he was very eager to visit his grandparents' home. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. I have packed my clothes and tapped for playing video. So he's saying he was ready by packing all his clothes, and also he was playing for video games because he is waiting for his parents to pack. We'll be traveling in a bus. I'm so excited. So that day they are traveling through bus and he was so excited. When the bus came to his grandparents' village, the village was very silent and clean and green. The greenery which we can't able to see in our city, which is very much of noisy and very much of flats, apartments, only machinery sounds and fightings, all those things only will happen. From such place, if we go for a village where it is only a very silent place and also only birds chirping noise only we are getting. Other than that, we are not getting anything over there. So as soon as he reached to that place, he rushed to his grandparents' home. He got blessings from him and he enjoyed his day. The next day morning, he started for a morning walk where he has seen two farmers were taking wheat from the paddy field. So it was very amazing for him to see in front what he had learnt in his lessons. Nearby, he had a girl. She was going for village school. After she finishes her village school, she took this boy. Who's this boy? Santosh. She took Santosh for a ran around, like she wanted to show her village as a tourist spot. So she took this boy over the places. When they were walking, she came across many friends, where those friends came close to Santosh also. Again, when they were going further, they saw a game. Boys were playing with a tire. With the help of a stick, they are rolling a tire. Santosh liked the game very much, and so Santosh and this girl together, they were also playing it. The second day got over. When it was third day, what he did, he was joined with his friends. He went to the river side where his friends were simply diving and swimming inside the river. This boy was simply sitting in the corner because he was not well known of swimming and diving, because in city he doesn't able to see such type of clean water and river in a roadside. Here some peoples are washing clothes and some are playing, some are bathing, all going on, but then the water is as clear as crystal. So those are diving, swimming, all are playing nearby the river. The scene was very beautiful for him to look at. He enjoyed it very well. 14th April, fourth day, he went back to his home in the city. The trip to his grandparents' home was so enjoyable for him. Those 2 days flew so fast because those are new situations which he admired, and he realized that during this stay in his grandparents' home, he didn't use any televisions or any video games. He was eagerly looking forward to visit again. My dear children, if you are spending your holidays by looking at television and playing video games, please don't do it, because seeing television or mobile phones or playing video games doesn't give any activity to your brain. It stops your brain from thinking capacity. So you have to come up with your outdoor games and indoor games. If you are not allowed to go out, better go for an indoor games. Indoor games, you don't have only chess, carom, you also have word games. You can try some new games sitting inside your homes. And if you want to go out, you have all types of physical games like football, basketball, all types of games you have. So better try to it. Thank you.